but we were lucky enough to start some remote triaging. So we all had access, all the clinicians had access to the patient files remotely via our digital patient management system. But we were using something called Advanced Ophthalmic Systems. So this is a patient and clinician mobile imaging app, as well as software that you can use in office. And it's objective grading of the anterior segment. So if a patient says, listen, I have a red eye, I don't know what's going on, they can physically take a picture of their eye themselves on their iPhone or smartphone. And that's sent to the clinician, and then we run it through the software, and that can grade redness, etc. So you were essentially being a virtual optometrist and then triaging patients that needed to be seen. If you thought it was an emergency, if it was say a scleritis, or if it was just, say, for instance, a subconjunctival hemorrhage. But it's great. It was great for patient engagement. They felt like the advent of telemedicine is absolutely huge now as well. And it's again, the patients felt there was that wow factor to it. They were wowed at how the advances in technology were absolutely great. It's really good for contact lens fitting as well. So say if you're fitting a scleral lens, it's great for tracking, say, impingement or blanching or anything like that. And here's a couple of photos of the software.